accept me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Now, as you can see, I'm done with my dressing up, my makeup, and also my hair. So I've just put a normal braids for my hair because my hair is long, and while traveling I don't want my hair to fall on my face and get stuck anywhere, and that's so, what to tell you now, that trouble of the hair. So I just tie my hair in normal braids, and that only will be comfortable for me. And also I have added this hairband so my hair doesn't fall in my eyes. So I'm comfortable and I'm prepared and I'm ready to go. So now we are all ready and it's 9 o'clock. I know it's too late, but still we are all ready and we are ready to go for a one-day trip to Bombay.
Still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy.
So now we reached Bombay and we are going to eat McDonald's because we are starving since morning and we are really hungry. So now we are come at McDonald's.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life.
Mama Mary, help me be open to let the light shine through me. Mama Mary,
never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were so warm. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So now you must be wondering why I'm right now. This is my studio. So actually what happened, I was so tired yesterday and I couldn't vlog because we were so tired. I'm going to tell you what happened. And actually the best part is that we lost our way also in the middle. So we went walking and from the ceiling garden we got lost. And we went into some other place and we walked so much and then we came back to Bandra. So that was really something very funny. And we lost our way first time in Mumbai and our legs were paining so badly and I couldn't vlog. And the second thing which happened that in the middle I really felt sick because while traveling, I get sick. Whenever I travel in a car or bus, I feel nauseated and I puked out. So I was really not keeping well. So I couldn't vlog the shopping part. So to compensate that, I'm going to show you what I shopped. And this is going to be a mini haul. So I'm going to show you what all things I brought from Mumbai. So before starting the haul, I just wanted to show you now. Literally, I have my specs right now and it's numbered and I couldn't read what's on the TV from a really far distance. So we went to the doctor and I did my checkup and came to know I have 0.5 number. So this is my new glasses. It really looks very cool, but I don't want to wear it now because the ring light tripod light is reflecting on it. But you all can see this is my new glasses and I just love this. So let's start with the haul. And it's really a little few. but it's really cute. So let's start with the first one, and this is a crop top. So this is a cute Mickey Mouse crop top. It's white color and it has the polka design on it, and I just love this crop top. The next one is also a crop top. You can see it's again white color and it has cute smiley face on it, and it really looks cool, and at the very time it is simple, casual and comfortable. Next is a pant with a loose bottom, so it's not full length, it's like almost ankle length and above that actually, and it's really good quality, and it's almost like a palazzo. It has loose bottom. So this I also purchased from Mumbai, and yeah, this is one of my favorite. So it's basically a short black dress and it's velvet, and the material is super soft and comfortable, and you can see it's a mini black dress. The next thing is this pants. I just love, and actually this is also the velvet material, and these pants are going in trend now. It's really soft, and you can see it's in the color peach. It has beautiful lines over here. So this pant is also my favorite. Okay, the clothes are done. So now I'll move on to the accessories. So this is one of the accessory which I purchased. This is so soft, the material is so soft, and I just love this. It's so cute. Next thing is this rubber band. It's like a crunchy. You can put it like a ponytail, or you can even plait your hair or do some styles with this, and I just love this. It looks also very nice. The next one is again a hairband, and this is also velvet material, and it also has some gold detailing and design on it, and it really looks cool. Next thing is I brought this pearl tiara. Can you all see? Yeah, this is the pearl tiara, and it really looks so beautiful. It looks classy and elegant, and I feel as if I'm a fairy or a princess. It really looks good. And the next thing is this diamond choker. Can you all see? Yeah, it's a diamond choker. I don't know, I just love this. And the next thing is I brought this cute fur wallet. It's baby pink color, and it is so soft and smooth, and it is like a emoji. There is 2 hearts, and that also is shining, and it's really good. The quality is good, and I just love this fur wallet of mine, and it's my favorite color, pink, and it's so soft. The next thing is a wrist rosary. It's also baby pink color. I think the camera is not catching it. Baby pink color. It has a gold cross, and it looks so beautiful, and it's so cute, this rosary. And I got this rosary from Mount Mary. There are many stalls, so I got this rosary from Mount Mary, and also the rosary which I am wearing in my neck. This is a multicolored rosary which I got again from Mount Mary, and I just love this. That's it for my mini haul, what all I purchased. I'm so sorry once again I couldn't vlog the entire thing, but today what happened is that I got an delivery done from Amazon which I had done, so I thought let's show it to you all now. So this is my vlogging tripod, and there was a good offer going on Amazon. So it was a buy one get one free. So I got these 2 tripods today delivered at my doorstep from Amazon. The quality is so good and it can bend anyhow. So I got it from Amazon and it is really sturdy product and you can easily hold it. So your hand also will not pain holding the mobile this way. So this is really good. And even this tripod over here, it's also flexible one and mini at the same time. So even if you're going out for vacation, it's really good. So it will not take a lot of space. It's so mini and it holds the mobile so steadily. These two products are the best which I received today. So I thought let's share it with y'all. And I just want to tell y'all, this is the new backdrop which I made. And this backdrop is going to be for the year 2021. And I really thought this backdrop looks good. And I made this backdrop just for y'all. So that's it for my today's Mumbai vlog video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Rapunzel Girl.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my